Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Trust Wallet application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Once you open it up, tap on the search button and then type in Trust Wallet and begin your search. Once you find the Trust Wallet application, just tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button, which will then begin the download and installation of the Trust Wallet application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once it is done, you can tap on the open button to open up the wallet application on your device. And now you can continue logging in to your existing wallet account or create your new wallet right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Trust Wallet application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.